class, we're in 2.7. It starts in your book on page 120. We have one word of the day today, one vocabulary word, and that word is cross product. Cross product is defined as the product of the numerator of one ratio and the denominator of the other ratio. Don't get this confused with multiplying fractions. This is talking about ratios, not multiplying fractions. So our goal today is to solve proportions using cross product. We talked about scale factor. Scale factor sometimes works. Sometimes it's easier to use cross product. Problem number 1 here, my first example, goes in your book along page 120. You might be able to say, you know, Miss Crowley, I can do this using a scale factor, and that's absolutely fine. But since our focus is cross product, that's what I'm going to focus on. 4 times 30. Again, numerator times denominator gives me 120. And 24 times A gives me 24A. Divide both sides by 24. How many 24s are in 120? And the answer is, if you divide that out, 5. Another option is to reduce and then cross multiply, but again, all choices you have. Problem number 2, probably going to be difficult to do using scale factor, so let's focus 3 over x, 2 over x minus 6 on cross multiplying. Numerator times denominator, 3 times x minus 6. Numerator times denominator, setting them equal, we get 2x. We need to distribute here, 3x, negative 18, 2x. Get my 3x to the other side, negative 18 equals negative 1x. Divide both sides by negative 1. 18 is equal to x. Moving on, we have this example, m over 5, m minus 6 over 4. Cross product, m times 4, that one's easy to do, 4m. Set equal to the other cross product here, m minus 6 times 5. m minus 6, we have to distribute our 5, so we have 4m. We distribute here, we get 5m. Distribute over here, we get minus 30. Get this 4m to the other side. I'm sorry, I was looking at one thing and writing another. Get this 5m to the other side. We end up with minus 1m equals negative 30. Divide both sides by negative 1. And we end up with m equaling 30. So moving on, our assignment today is simply 2.7. We are working on problems 3 through 29 in your book on page 123.